Guys, welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video I want to show you like everything that I got here, kind of like some of the stuff here. Guys, believe it or not, that is a very expensive, $659 with taxes for all this. So let me explain to you kind of like what all this is. This is 8-foot treated lumber here, 110 pieces of them, and then I got 4 10-footers because the gate is going to be 18-foot wide. Everything else, this is just like nails. I mean, one box was like 24 something, another was like 21 something for 2,000 nails in each one. We got the 3-inch, we got the 2 and 3/8, and then we got like 5 of these type of handles here, and then we got this kind of just as for the small gate, but I got like really massive type of hinges and stuff. That is for that. Then this is like a 8-inch type of hinge. This is going on my 5-foot gate. This is a 10-inch. This is gonna go on the main gate. There's another handle right there. And then this is like the locking mechanism for the double gate that I have. This is another one of those 10-inch type of hinges here. Yeah, 10-inch right there. That's in pairs, for the gates. Here's another, dual gate type of lock. I mean, this could be used for a single one as well. Then we got some more hinges here for a little gate, and then this one, and this one here. Guys, I can't believe how expensive this stuff is. The very last thing I'm gonna need to get is about 300 pieces of this kind of stuff. There's obviously 240 per case, but I'm hoping I'm gonna pick this up tomorrow or like the next day. Hey guys, so far I have spent $1,329 for everything, not counting the dog ears. With the dog ears, fence and stuff, I need like about 300 of them just for the 330-foot section. So my total fence for 230 feet of it, well actually, yeah, probably about 230 feet of it, I'll probably remeasure. It's going to cost $2,150, guys. That's like with taxes and everything. That is about what I expected to pay, but I was thinking it was gonna cost between $1,800 to $2,000. So far, we're a little bit over $1,300, and those dog ear fence posts are going to cost us a little bit more. But anyways, guys, that's the thing. That is a little update. I'm keeping all the math on everything that it's costing me so far, keeping all the receipts, writing everything down, so that I will know, because I'm going to have to do this again 3 more times. If I want to fence myself completely in. So yeah, kind of a lot. So it's gonna definitely cost me over $9,000, probably roughly $10,000 for the complete fence. So I just want to get this front one done first and then worry about the other stuff as we go along. Guys, and again, I am back for the second time to Home Depot today or tonight, just before they close, and I got myself 300 pickets. That's 8 foot long, and I got 10 treated 10 footers here, 10 of them at 10 feet, 4x10s basically. I'm going to use them for like gates and some of the other sections. Guys, this is what $800 look like. I finally have bought everything, and I actually was able to get everything, all the supplies, for a little bit under $2,000. I thought I'm gonna be over by $150, but I'm a little bit under. So now that we're done with the supplies, guys, that's it. Like, it's going to be the end of this video. Just getting all the supplies together and stuff like that, shopping around. Tomorrow I'm gonna start actually building the whole fence, having everything there, all the nails, everything. Hopefully I don't have to like run around anymore. So that's going to be a video in itself. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will include all the materials that I have bought in the description below. You could see everything that I've paid for at my Home Depot, the prices that I got it for, the whole total. I've been keeping track of everything that I've been buying, guys. So if you like this video, please hit a like. If you're trying to do a fence and you're gonna be doing it anytime soon, leave me a comment below telling me that you're gonna do that. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I will try to actually answer those for you. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.